And welcome back to another video where today I will be showing you how to add a glowing like Luminosity effect to your drawing's hair, face, or whatever in Paint.net. So first you'll come down here to your color dial that you cannot see for some reason on my Paint.net. It's weird, but I'll add a picture right about now. Alright, so you see what that is in the corner of the screen? You'll come down and you'll make a lighter version of your already chosen hair color, and I've already done that. So then you'll come up here to your hardness and you'll put it at 0%, because if it's not at 0, like if it's at 63 or whatever, it'll have a more, like, not hard, but like a more, how do I say it? I don't really know. So it would have a more sharp, there we go, a sharper effect on the hair, and we do not want that. So we put it all the way on 0, and then it adds a more, like, it's less opaque. Okay, there, I've got it. Words. I woke up late today, so just, brain. And then you'll come down to your brush width and you'll choose a size that works for you. So 175 is what I chose. And you'll come and you'll lightly brush the bangs of your hair, and that'll give it a glowing like effect like you've been wanting for your hair, etc., etc. And you can even just come do that, or like whatever you're trying to go for. And I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next video. In the next video. I cannot even do an outro. It tells you how long I've been at this. But hope to see you guys in the next video, and bye!
Mm-hmm.